Hi all, welcome to Preptus Education. In this video, I am going to brief you about the e-certificate courses which Preptus Education has bought specially for you all. Now, before I start with what do we provide, let us first understand what a company looks for in a candidate. So when you show your resume, every company looks forward not just for the current scenario, but what will happen in future, 3 years or 4 years down the line. Whether you are smart, are you responsible, are you active, proactive. So all these traits are judged with the help of core brain functions, and this core brain functions can be predicted with the help of aptitude tests. So the core brain functions like time management, speed, attention, accuracy, your reasoning power, visualization power, etc. can be just with the help of aptitude. So at Preptus Education, we have bought you absolutely free of cost videos or the courses which will help you to crack this interviews and make a very beautiful career in future. So the courses that we have are mastering basics of quantitative ability, mastering basics of verbal ability, and reasoning ability. The details of each course is given in the description of the playlist. So what you have to do is go into the playlist tab, click on the certificate course which you wish to learn for, and look in the description for the topics which are provided there. So you will find all these topics in the given number of videos, the time length of the videos, and the recommended time to complete this particular course. Now these courses are absolutely free of cost, so learning is absolutely free of cost. So how to go ahead with earning an e-certificate? So see, what you have to do is watch the videos thoroughly, make notes out of it. But if you want to go for an e-certificate, you have to appear for a test. Once you have cleared that test, then you can achieve the e-certificate, and for this we have kept a very nominal and a very basic fee structure. So that fee structure you will find in our about section, that is about tab. So once you have made the payment, please send us the transfer receipt on the email ID, and we will reply you with the test link which will have a timed test. So this test will consist of 10 questions and you will get 20 minutes to complete this test. This test is going to be an MCQ, which is multiple choice question. So there will be 4 options given for each question, and there is no negative marking for this particular test. A minimum of 5 correct out of 10 is required to earn this certificate, but you always have an option to go for a retest if in case you are not able to get 5 correct. What will this e-certificate have? Obviously the name and logo of Preptus Education, which will give you a brand name, then the name of the candidate who has appeared for the test, his or her college name, and the grade in the test. So say suppose if a person has marked all 10 correct out of the given 10 questions, then he or she will get triple A grade. If 8 or 9 are correct out of 10, then AA grade. If 6 or 7 are correct out of 10, then A grade, and 5 out of 10 will fetch B grade. If a candidate wish to go for a retest to improve this course, then they may go, and there is a very nominal fee for this retest. So what are you waiting for? Start watching your videos today. All the best and make a bright career. Take care.